Outbound text. It's a great way to communicate time-sensitive reminders, schedule changes, volunteer opportunities, and more, whether to your entire church body or to specific groups. With outbound text, there's 3 simple steps to getting started. The first one we'll cover is adding people that you'd like to reach. As you can see here, I'm logged into the aware3 portal, just aware3.net, and I'm here under People and Profiles tab. Keep in mind, profiles are automatically populated here if you're using some of our various services. For instance, if you're using Concierge, members can go ahead and text hello to your assigned text number. Once they do so, they'll be prompted to create a profile and then automatically show up here. If you have an aware3 app with features like our native give feature, check-in, and aware3 forms, they'll show up on this page as well. That said, if there's somebody that I want to add manually to this page, I can also do that. One is through this import. I can click on this. Only thing I need here is a CSV file to go ahead and upload, or I can also add a person. So if I do click here, I can see only items I actually need are first and last name, phone number, and email address. Next step for outbound is actually creating tags or interests I'd like people to be a part of. So that's just a great way to go ahead, segment messages so that they're more relevant to each individual. If you're ready to get started, click the link below for part 2 of getting started with outbound.